A comprehensive beginner's guide to investing in gold and silver coins. In the vast universe of investment opportunities, precious metals like gold and silver have always held a special place. They are not just shiny objects of desire, but also powerful tools for wealth preservation and portfolio diversification. Gold and silver, in particular, have been the go-to precious metals for investors worldwide. Their enduring appeal lies in their ability to stand the test of time as a store of value and a hedge against inflation and economic uncertainty. In this comprehensive guide, we aim to equip beginners with the knowledge they need to start investing in gold and silver coins. The rationale behind investing in gold and silver coins. Gold and silver coins have a rich history that dates back centuries. They have been used as currency, a symbol of wealth, and a means of trade. Today, they are seen as a safe haven for investors, offering a buffer against the volatility of the stock market. Unlike intangible assets like stocks or bonds, gold and silver coins are tangible assets that you can hold, touch, and store. Moreover, the value of gold and silver coins is determined by their weight and purity, not by the promises of a corporation or government. This makes them a reliable store of value, especially in times of economic instability. Understanding the types of gold and silver coins. Gold and silver coins can be broadly categorized into two types: bullion coins and collectible coins. Bullion coins. These coins are minted by governments and are typically purchased for their weight and purity, rather than their design or rarity. They are a popular choice among investors looking for a stable store of value. Collectible coins, also known as numismatic coins, these are valued for their rarity, historical significance, and aesthetic appeal, in addition to their precious metal content. Collectible coins require a deeper understanding of the coin market and are usually bought by experienced collectors or investors. The process of buying gold and silver coins. The journey of investing in gold and silver coins begins with finding a reputable dealer. For bullion coins, look for dealers who are authorized by the government mint. This ensures the authenticity and quality of the coins. When it comes to collectible coins, it's important to research the dealer's reputation and credentials. Check if they are a member of professional numismatic organizations, which adhere to strict ethical standards. In the digital age, buying gold and silver coins online has become increasingly popular. However, it's crucial to ensure the credibility of online sellers. Auction sites like eBay can also be a platform to buy coins, but it's advisable to stick to sellers who have a high rating and positive reviews. Storing your gold and silver coins safely. Once you've acquired your gold and silver coins, the next step is to ensure their safe storage. This is crucial in maintaining their condition and, by extension, their value. Coins should be stored in a secure location, such as a home safe or a bank deposit box, to protect them from theft, loss, or damage. To prevent scratches or other physical damage, store them separately from other items and consider using protective holders or capsules. Keeping a detailed inventory of your coins and having them regularly appraised will also be beneficial, especially for insurance purposes. Selling your gold and silver coins. When the time comes to sell your gold and silver coins, it's important to be well informed about the market conditions and current pricing. This will help you get a fair price for your investment. Reputable dealers are usually the best option for selling your coins, as they offer a transparent process and competitive pricing. Online platforms and auction sites can also be used, but caution should be exercised to avoid scams or unfair pricing. In conclusion, investing in gold and silver coins is more than just a financial decision. It's a step towards financial resilience. It allows you to diversify your portfolio, protect your wealth, and potentially reap significant returns. However, like any investment, it requires due diligence and a good understanding of the market. By choosing reputable dealers, understanding the different types of coins, and learning how to store and sell your coins properly, you can navigate the world of gold and silver coin investment with confidence and success. Embark on your precious metals investment journey with the Ohio Mint. Stepping into the realm of gold and silver coin investments can be a thrilling yet challenging adventure. As you've learned from our comprehensive guide, Informed decisions are the cornerstone of successful investing. To stay current on all aspects of the gold and silver coin market, subscribe to our newsletters. Gain access to regular market updates, investment insights, and sneak peeks into our newest offerings. Join an esteemed group of investors who utilize our expert guidance to make informed decisions. With the Ohio Mint, you're not just investing in precious metals, you're investing in the assurance of making sound, knowledge-based decisions in your journey toward financial resilience.